fine. Okay. See what we got here. Inside the box, I have a carry bag and also the ring light right here inside and accessory. So right here I got standard. Wow, it's tight. Okay, I'm gonna put the standard right here. Inside the carry bags, got ring light. Yes. What is that in there? Okay. Oops. I got two power cords right here. I don't know if they're being nice or they ship me the extra. I got two batteries. I got two remote control. And I got two Bluetooth shutter and battery. So pretty much I got two of each for this. And this one, I believe the phone holder. So I got one phone holder. This one, a tripod head. One, another phone holder. And this one phone holder too. So two of phone holder, one tripod head. Here pretty much what comes with it. Alright, let me set up my ring light. I know I'm sorry, I keep saying ring light. It's light rings, isn't it? Yeah, it's light ring. Oops. So on the back, I got on and off switch, USB, and right here my power cord that's gonna go in. Okay. guys, this is how I look on this color, and I am going to keep changing the color. It takes a while to change the color. Here we go. So pretty much I have to brush it and hold on the color switch. Come on. Yeah, it is. The color is not showing easy. It's on blue color. I love that one. It's blue. Wow, it's really took forever to change the color. It's still blue but more light up. Okay, this one add red. It's all red. I love this color. I don't know. I can't wait to make like short video on this light links. Alright, let's see, green. That's green. Okay. Let me see, blue. I wanna get hot blue. It's really slow to change the color. Oh, come on. Or maybe I have no patience. Oh gosh. Oh. Sorry guys. Okay, this one is like the color move around. It's like a nightclub light. Oh, this orange. Yes. Wow. Love it. Oh my gosh. I was thinking, oh, this one green. I was thinking to buy the light ring for a long time, but I don't know. It took me for a while to decide to buy it. Wow, it's gonna be fun to make video, guys. Wow, I love it so much. You guys don't have idea how much I'm so happy to get the light rings. Like I'm saying, it was from 199 to $99. I was like, all right, I'm gonna shoot my shot, go to Best Buy. So when I got Best Buy, I cash out, it's come out 999 and I end up pay 200 something. And the quality is not for 200, so I bring them back, return that light link at the Best Buy, and next 2-3 days it's back to $99. Like, what's going on? It's end up buy this from Amazon anyways. Oh, look at this color, guys. Look at this color. My back mirror is very dirty, but only what I can find in this moment. I hope you guys don't mind for dirty back mirror. Wow, this, oh my god. Oh, I'm so happy to get this. Wow. All right, I'm gonna try to get like normal light. All right, let's see. Here we go again. I don't even know how I'm gonna go back. I'll go backlit. I'm gonna turn off. Okay, now the ring light is up. Okay, now the ring light is turned off. This is how the normal, like without light, it's just from my house. Oh, that's so bright. That's normal light. This is the warm one, the warm light. Let me bring it down. Oh, my eyes. It's the warm light. Okay, let me get the bright. Oh, it's so bright. My eyes. I'm gonna bring it down. This is bright light. It's normal light. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down. Okay, it's the normal light. I think this is the maximum that they can go down. How about? All right, going up more. Oh my god, my eyes. Ooh, so bright. I'm gonna stay back for a little bit. I so much enjoy this guy. Oh my gosh. Okay, this normal light. Alright, this is pretty much for my unboxing ring light today. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. And I see you at the short video. Bye guys.